Forget going viral. What if I told you there's a $1 million business that runs on human panic? And no, it's not what you think. It's so boring. You probably walk past it every day. One of these makes $300 a day per location. And it's not the vending machine. It's the most overlooked object in the city. Stick with me, because what you're about to see changes everything. What if I told you these 5 real businesses you see every single day are making ordinary people thousands of dollars a month, and you haven't even noticed? Stay until the end. Number 3 runs on something people literally throw away every single morning. 1. School and office portrait photography. You remember school picture day, right? The cheesy backgrounds, the forced smiles. What you didn't see, that photographer makes between $5,000 and $20,000 per school. They shoot hundreds of kids in a day. Parents have to buy the packages. It's not glamorous. It's the same blue backdrop every time, but it's recession-proof. Why? Because parents will always buy pictures of their kids. One photographer I spoke to works just 4 months a year. The rest of the year, he travels. 2. Pet waste removal service, poop scooping. Yes, you get paid to pick up dog poop. It sounds awful until you hear the numbers. Charge $15 per visit, twice a week. That's $120 a month per client. Get just 20 clients. That's $2,400 a month for about 10 hours of work. You don't need experience. You need a shovel, bags, and a strong stomach. The best part, it's the ultimate subscription service. Dogs don't stop pooping, ever. It's the most consistent business model on the planet. 3. Used coffee grounds collection and resale. This is the one I promised you. Coffee shops throw away hundreds of pounds of used coffee grounds every week, but gardeners love them for compost. Artists use them for natural dye. So you collect them for free, bag them, sell them online or at farmers markets. One person turned this into $3,000 a month. Their supply? 2 local cafes. Their cost? $0. Their product? Literal trash. You're not just selling dirt, you're selling sustainability, and people pay for that feeling. 4. Housewatch/mail. Collection for travelers. When neighbors go on vacation, they need someone to grab their mail, water plants, and make their house look lived in. Charge $20 to $30 a day. Do it for 5 houses at once in the same neighborhood. In a good month, you can make over $1,500 just by taking a daily walk. You don't need a website, just a flyer and local community groups. The secret? Trust is the product. You're selling peace of mind. 5. Balloon decor for birthday parties. Not the fancy event planning, just balloons. Simple arches, number balloons, simple centerpieces. Parents are busy. They'll pay $150 to $300 for you to come for an hour and make their kids' party magical. A kit costs $100 online. You can reuse it 100 times. One college student does 3 parties every weekend. That's an extra $1,800 a month. It's not complicated, it's balloons. But it's happiness in a box, and happiness sells. Real business isn't about being flashy. It's about solving a boring everyday problem that people are willing to pay you to take off their hands. So tell me, which of these could you see yourself doing tomorrow? Comment right now. Photo for school photos. Poop for pet waste removal. Coffee for coffee grounds. House for house watch. Balloon for balloon decor. I'll reply to everyone who comments with a simple first step to get started this week. If you want more honest, boring, real money ideas, subscribe. We drop truth every single week. Now go be boring, get paid, repeat.